Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I've got 3 different ones going on right now. I do have the August eyeshadow palette giveaway, a giveaway going on in honor of our 200th subscriber, as well as a giveaway in honor of our 100th follower over on Instagram. I will put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos talking about how to enter each of those giveaways. So today we're talking Facetory. So I started getting this Facetory subscription. This is my 2nd month getting it. If you are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, review them, and let you know my thoughts on them. So that's why I wanted to get this bundle here. They do have one where it's like 4 masks a month, and that's a little cheaper. This one is the 7 masks, and it's $19. And they're all mainly Korean beauty masks. So something different that you wouldn't normally find. So I love that. I do have a link for Facetory for $10 off your first box. If you want to check them out and join, I'll put that link in the description box down below. Let's dive into this box. There's always a card that talks about the different masks. So this is the August 7 Lux. It's curated by Facetory. This month you'll be radiating with a youthful glow. Our August 7 Lux will provide you with smooth and plump skin. Who doesn't love a little plumpness? You'll find sheet masks packed with moisturizing, balancing, and antioxidants rich ingredients to help your skin feel rejuvenated. As always, step 1, cleanse and tone. Step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes. And step 3, remove the mask and pat in any remaining essence. You know, don't leave them on normally for more than 30 minutes. I always use any remaining essence and the moisture that I have in the mask. I always put that on my neck and on my chest after I'm done with the mask. If there's still essence on it, I will just kind of lay it here so that this area kind of gets a little bit of love as well. And then I always follow up with a really good moisturizer. So let's find out about the ones in here. There is a postcard that says Forever Young in here. Cute. Top of the box says just keep glowing. And they're all wrapped neatly in this tissue paper. So the first mask that I'm pulling out is a fairly large mask. It is from Treeannsea, the Carat Plain Crew Diamond Mask. It does retail for $7. This biocellulose sheet mask works to provide your skin with skin calming moisture. The material adheres to your face and ensures that all the essence and nutrients sink into your skin. Relax and feel rightfully pampered. You deserve it. Why we love it, the sheet mask made our skin feel like $1,000,000. The diamond powder helped bring moisture back into our skin and brighten our overall complexion. It's also infused with bifida fermented lysate to help soothe irritations. We especially love the sheet mask chilled. So when you signed up for the 7 Lux, if you did a year subscription, you got a little mini fridge. I'll put a picture of that in it now. And it's to store your beauty products. I've got that on my counter, and that's where I keep all my face masks. And when I put them on, it makes my skin, it obviously feels, it has a cooling effect. Love it. And it helps your skincare last longer by keeping it in one of those little fridges too. And when we're ready, we placed it on our face, and it truly amped up the experience. Oohs and ahs all around. When to use whenever you want to flaunt a sparkling complexion. From Dewytree is the AC Control Deep Mask. I need as much AC as I get right now. It's, you know, up here in Idaho, it gets pretty warm. So this is chillax with this minty mask that will calm inflammation and redness. Feel the cooling and comforting properties of the sheet mask. You don't want to miss out on this one. It retails for $3, and why they love it, the material of the sheet mask is a thin microfiber and feels lovely on the skin. The green coloring is from the papaya green papayan extract, which helps exfoliate the skin. This mask is infused with mentha papyriter peppermint oil and melaleuca alterfolia tea tree leaf extract to help clear our irritated spots and soothe our skin. This mask was also voted as 2017 Korean Customer Beauty Award winner on GlowPick, the #1 Korean beauty ranking app. That's pretty cool. When to use when you're too hot for the room. Whew. I am anxious to try this one out. From Nacific is the Fresh Herb Origin Mask Pack, a sheet mask featuring Nacific's signature Fresh Herb Origin Serum. The sheet mask material clings perfectly to your face and leaves your skin feeling and looking moisturized to the max. Wake up with dewy, hydrated, and bright skin. This does retail for $5. Why they love it, the sheet mask left our skin looking amazing. We woke up to a brighter and healthier complexion. It delivered antioxidant-rich essence directly to our skin thanks to its unique and eco-friendly sheet mask material made from banana peels. That's kind of interesting. It contains aloe vera leaf water and citrus lemon peel oil to help calm the skin while balancing oils. It's perfect for an everyday mask to help boost your skin's moisture and hydrogen levels. When to use, when you're ready for your skin to receive some TLC, apply the sheet mask at night and be ready to look fresh-faced in the morning. So it must be an overnight mask then. Exciting! From Labotica is the True Nature Green Tea Pore Clearing Mask. The sheet mask focuses on providing your skin with soothing and purifying properties. Your skin will be feeling super clean and healthy in just a few minutes. Why we love it, this mask made our skin tingle with excitement as our pores looked smaller and our skin felt cleaner and more comfortable. It helped calm down inflamed and irritated spots and really relaxed our skin. What more do you want from a treatment? Reach for this mask when our skin needs extra love. It does retail for $3. When to use, sit back and relax while this purifying sheet mask takes charge and improves your overall complexion. From Loudey is the Bling-Fit Honey Mask. The sheet mask will make your skin feel extra smooth and protected. It contains 5 types of hyaluronic acid and several types of ferments. Trust us, the sheet mask will definitely moisturize you. Retails for $4.50. Why we love it? 2 words, bling bling. The sheet mask gave our skin a dewy and bright complexion. It also has the most amount of fermented ingredients that we've ever seen. Fermentation ingredients are great because they are more potent and will absorb quickly into the skin. It's safe to say that we are obsessed. When to use, when your skin is feeling dehydrated, place this mask on your face and get ready for the ultimate moisture treatment. The E-Nature Bio-Zeup Sheet Mask. The sheet mask provides nutrient-rich essence that will make your skin feel revealed and renewed. Youthful, dewy skin, yes please. Retails for $3.50. Why we love it, the sheet mask contains capsaicin, aluminum fruit extract, and Labotica to help provide your skin with skin smoothing and anti-wrinkle properties. Sign me up with anti-wrinkle properties. With a soft and stretchy material, this mask ensured our skin absorbed all the essence so that our skin can glow, and did we say glow? It's also great for oily and combination skin types. When to use, when your skin wants a little bit of pick-me-up, treat it with this gentle sheet mask. And finally from Dr. Hands is the Dr. Hands Moisture Plus Mask. When I first saw this, I thought it was like maybe a hand mask, but no, it's not. Anyway, it's a moisturizing sheet mask that will leave your skin looking dewy, healthy, and alive. It's the perfect sheet mask for revitalizing your skin. Retails for $3, and why we love it, it provides us with the whole package: smooth, hydrated, and refined skin. We really love how this made our skin feel, especially when our skin felt a little on the drier side. When to use? When you feel your skin could use a little extra love. I cannot wait for all of these, so be on the lookout. And for those upcoming masking videos, you will definitely be seeing all of these in them. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way for you to enter those giveaways. You must be a subscriber. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.